Open the box. Take out our front covers and the back cover. Remove the main frame and 4 arms according to the instructions. Fix the arms together. Fastening with the provided screws. Screw. Apply screw glue. The motor is also according to the instructions. Install. Propellers distinguished between positive and negative and fixed with screws. Install the front cover and fixed with screws. Install rear cover. Screw fixing. Assembly completed. Charge it up. Learn how to manipulate it. You can fly freely. Thanks for watching.